What up, YouTube? We back, man. I got us a nice BMW Grand Coupe right here. So I'm gonna let y'all check it out. It's kind of dirty. We just gonna do like a little basic detail on it. I already got the equipment up and running, so let's check it out. Y'all can see the bugs and everything right here. Got the wheels. Check it out, check it out. It's pretty dirty on the inside, y'all. Alright, I gotta figure out how to unlock the doors. I don't even know, man. Where's the key, bro? Alright. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, this one's gonna need a little bit more work than normal. As y'all can see, got a few items to move around. Alright guys, we see what it's looking like. Go ahead and get the trash and stuff up out of here, get it rolling. Show y'all what it look like after. What's up, y'all? I'm back, dripping, sweating, all that good stuff. But as y'all can see, the BMW behind me is ready to go. Take y'all around it. Let y'all see what I did to it. Just did a little basic service on it. So let's check it out. Y'all can see the wheels, perfect. Outside got that nice wash. No more bugs on it. Y'all can see it's nice and glistening. Take a look at the inside. Not a crazy wipe down, just the good vacuum. Just the dash. Hit that cup holder area. Y'all can see all the stuff going out of there. Same thing with the back. Nice and vacuumed. I moved all the items to the trunk area. I'll show y'all that in a minute once it pop open. And this back actually has some glass in it and whatnot, but y'all can see it's all nice and clean now. Yeah. Looking good. So y'all can see I just took all the items and kind of put them back in the trunk neatly. Got the trunk all cleaned up for the whatnot. But cool, man. We're gonna keep it pushing, man. That was a nice little before and after on the BMW Continental. So y'all keep checking us out. Winning Edge Carwash, baby. Make sure y'all hit that notification button to get all the videos. Like it for the algorithm and share it with your friends, man. Check us out.